What we have up for sale is a 2001 Audi twin turbo, S4 twin turbo. You can see the sticker price, so you know that it's not a joke. And we can take a look at the rims. It got the Audi rims, the stock Audi rims, all around. Air pressure is great. The paint is wonderful. We also have the keyless entry, like always. This is to lock the car, open, and then the key pops up. And let's go. Start the bad boy up. You can see, this is the current standing mile right here. We have power windows, which are controlled right here. You can see the power windows. We also have custom black on blue interior, and this is leather, by the way. This is all leather, so it feels great. We have the center console, which is right here. Under that is a cup holder. We also have the console that comes down in the back, right here. I have the power roof, sunroof, with the controls right here. We have the Boss sound system, so you know it's crystal clear. Right now I'm on the radio, so you can't really get the full power of what it can do, but this is the Boss system. Turn that off. We also have the remote, which controls everything. This is the remote that controls the whole sound system, so you get the remote that comes with it also. Let's go pop the hood.
Tonight, 45.
This is under the hood. V6 bit turbo engine running here, so you know this bad boy is very powerful. And you can see the inside is pretty much soundless and clean. Not no gimmicks, people. This is the real thing. Like I did with all my other cars, I'm going to take this for a spin around the block so you guys can hear how it sounds when it rides. Also has power seats. As you can see, I'm going to control it right here. And the seat is moving back. There's the power seats. Now let's get started. Once again, people, this is the Audi 2001 Audi S4 twin turbo. I'm just pressing on the gas very lightly and I'm gone up these streets in 2.2 seconds. This car has a lot of power, a lot. And now we're back.
Yeah, music.
Once again, people, this is a 2001 Audi S4 twin turbo up for sale. Bid and bid with confidence.